All right, we're back. How are you doing today? Hopefully you're having a good day. Hopefully you had a good day or you woke up to a good day. It's interesting. I look sometimes the hours people get on this and look at these videos. It's kind of interesting. You should be asleep some of these times, but I'll leave that alone for now. All right, let's get rolling. Eureka Math Squared. I am Mr. Short. I don't have a class number, so I can't really write it there. Oh, okay, there. It's got blurry on me. For second grade, Module 4, Lesson 18. It says, find the difference, use a place value drawing, and vertical form. Hey, you have 3 problems tonight on page 89. There's nothing on the back. Look, nothing. Nothing there. It's blank. All right, I will do the first one with you, and then you will be on your own to do the rest. So let's draw that place value chart. Hundreds, tens, ones. We need our old, the way that I learned, most of your parents learned, grandparents, if they're helping, that's how they learned. All right, let's compare the two. So we have 436 minus 285. Let's put that here. So we need, remember, you need to do this, do it, so you don't get messed up. The hundreds, we need 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The tens, we need 3. 1, 2, 3. And the ones, we need 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, we got that. So now we need to take away 5 ones. You can put a light cross on those if you want to. Take away 5 ones, right? Because we're subtracting. So we have more than 5. We have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That leaves us with 1. Over here, 6 minus 5. You want to make this nice and vertical again. 6 minus 5 is 1. And you don't necessarily got to draw these lines, but it helps keep everything neat, because if you're not lining this up neat, you're going to subtract the wrong thing from the wrong one. Like it'll get bad. It's definitely going to mess up your answers. All right, the hundreds. We have 3 tens, and we need to take away 8. Can we take, if we have 3, can we take 8 away? We can't do that, and you cannot subtract up. You cannot subtract up. That does not work. Okay, you can only subtract going down. So we're gonna have to go next door and borrow 10 more there. Same thing here. Let's blow it up, bring it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now, can we take 8 away? Yes, we can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 13 minus 8 is 5. Now, I know some of you are going to say, well, Mr. Short, if I subtracted going up 8 minus 3, I would have got 5. And you would have here. Once in a great while it works, but that's not how we subtract. That's not how we do this. That's not how it works. You don't want to learn a bad habit. That's not always going to work for you. All right? I promise you that does not always work. So just forget about it. Move on. Let it go. Sing the song from Frozen about letting it go if you need to. Just don't deal with that anymore, all right? So I forgot to put my 3 there. That could have been a problem. So we have 3 left here, and we're going to take 2 away from the hundreds. 1, 2, which leaves us 1. Over here we have 3 minus 2, which is 1. 151, 151, 151 is our answer. The next one. I'll help you set it up. I'm not doing it, though, at all. Hundreds, tens, ones, 6, 2, 4, minus 2, 5, 9. Make sure it's nice and neat. 6 in the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 in the tens. 1, 2. 4 in the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's all the help you're getting from me on that one. I set it up for you. You can do the rest. Number 3, I'm not doing any of it for you. You are completely on your own on this one. But you guys got this. You've been doing a good job. If you're not getting it, rewind it. Look at this one again. Okay? Look at this one again. How I set it up, how we did it to help you. You do the same thing down here. All right? Then you'll set up all by yourself, do the same thing down here. and you'll solve it, and you'll get it right, and you'll be very happy. All right. Well, I guess that's it for me then today. Appreciate you guys coming. I hope this helps everyone, and I hope you have a good night.